Hi everybody, it's Leah of seejanedrill, and I'm holding one of my favorite tools. It's a super tool as far as I'm concerned. Now many of you are probably saying, Leah, I know what that tool is. That's one of those painter's 5-in-1 tools. And you know what? You're correct. But I want to know, do you know what 5 things this tool does? I think you're going to be surprised by a couple of them. I'm going to show you coming up next. And I'm going to throw in a couple things that I use this tool for. So I got to ask you, did I surprise you with a few of the things like the hammer and the screwdriver? Maybe I did, right? Well, I got to tell you, this is a simple tool, but it's one of my favorite tools because I find myself reaching for it all of the time. Now, let me ask you to comment in the comments below if you use your painter's tool in a different way than I demonstrated today, okay? I'd like to hear from you. And as always, this is Leah saying you can do this. See you next time.